we'll get our copper, brass. There's going to be a lot to edit. Another piece of copper. Just gonna check around this side, guys. Hopefully the Jeep's still there. Can't see it. Oh, what is this? A piece of rope. Alright. Oh, look at this, guys. We got some speakers here. Wow, a freaking welder. Are you kidding me? Got hose, guys. Yeah, this hose don't look bad. It's probably shot though. We'll cut that. Oh, that looks like aluminum. We got a freaking thing here. Are you kidding me? Let's take a look inside. Oh yeah, look at the copper, guys. Look at the copper. Okay, I can take this. I'm gonna take this whole thing home with me. It's got the gun. Here's the gun. I have one of these, guys, so I could definitely use the parts. It's got a nice freaking cord on here. Guys, can you believe this? They're freaking woods. This is a 90 amp flux welder, Chicago Electric. What the heck? Are you kidding me? What the heck? Are you kidding me? A lot of copper in there, guys. So let's just look around real quick. That is an awesome find, guys. Let me make sure my camera is on so we get that. Not really seeing too much around. Let's take a look at this stuff here. Oh, I see a K&N aluminum part right there, guys. Not seeing any speaker wire. Oh. But that's aluminum, guys, right there. And they have it taped together. That's coming with me. Put that by the welder. How am I going to carry everything? I might be making 2 trips. See if anything else is back in here. It's freaking speakers. I don't know what, guys. There's brass on here. These look like decent. Oh man, they're heavy, guys. Somebody cut the wire. Very thin, cheap wire on here. And nice speakers. Look at that. I just want to see the fronts. Oh yeah, sub. It's got speakers in the front. You know what? As much as I want to take this, guys, I have to go after the scraps. Somebody turned these upside down for a reason. It is a plastic. I don't know. What do we got here? Piece of aluminum. It's wood. I don't see too much more over here, guys. Holy man, that's heavy. Junk metal down there. There's a box. That's got shades in it as well. Sting. Oh, wow, guys. I mean, somebody took all the wire. What was that? Hurt something. Don't forget we got bed frames. Somebody's cans in the bag right there, guys. No way. Guys, what kind of bottle is this? High Craving. I don't think it's that old though. Looking around. See what we got in here. See what we got down in here. Ah, just a bunch of junk. Bunch of junk. Truck going by, I guess. Just a bunch of garbage. I did see something though. The saw blade. Ow! Oh! Oh, that hurts. Let's see what this is. Is that aluminum? What the? Oh, that's aluminum, guys. That's kind of heavy. That's going. So we gotta get this stuff, start walking it out of here. I did see. Ow! I see a cord here. Ow! On the end of it, it's got a couple wires. I don't know. It's stretchy too. What the heck is this, guys? You know what? I don't know. There's only 2 thin wires in there. It's not worth taking, but I did want to get back here while that yellow Jeep goes by there. That's why I want to get out of, grab my stuff and get out of here. What's all this here, guys? Ugh. There's the bed frames. Seeing any copper or anything here, guys. So, just a bunch of garbage. Bunch of garbage. Yeah, somebody came. So we're gonna, let's grab our stuff, guys, start heading out of here. Got quite a few copper wires. I'm not even gonna grab this piece of aluminum. Maybe next time. I got enough right now. I gotta bring all this stuff to the Jeep, guys. Not that. This is heavy. There's some fencing right there, guys. I'm using my new hey, there's a TV up there. We might go up there, see if there's a cord, and get out of here. It's just too much people coming around. I want to grab that thing before somebody else grabs it, you know. Well, somebody yanked the cord out of there, but you know, there's just enough there for me to go ahead, put that right in my pocket. Guys, your TV ever, if this piece ever breaks, you could desolder this and then resolder this one into your TV. So quickly, guys, let's go up to this next TV. I gotta get out of here with our finds and be done. Oh, I see cord, guys. Oh, not much. It's not much of a cord, but copper's copper. I think I could get out of this way. Look at this. I did see some aluminum, guys. But what I'm gonna do is start hauling this stuff back to the Jeep and getting out of here. It's like the rest is just junk, bits and pieces of aluminum. So I hope you guys like this little adventure. See you when we're at the Jeep. Oh shoot, I left my door open. Are you kidding me? Oh no, I unlocked it from that side. Oh man, look at all the copper and stuff we got down there, guys. And I'll show you the back. There's the welder, the bikes. So we did pretty good today, not too bad. So we'll take a look at everything when we get to the house, all right? We're getting out of here, guys. Woo! Whoa, 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 whoa. That must be a storm coming. Emergency alert. This is a test of National Wireless Emergency Alert System. Yeah, you know, anybody coming? I think they're going to be shutting the power off, guys. Probably be shutting the power off on the East Coast soon. They're trying to get these tornadoes to get going here in Pennsylvania. And I think one touchdown last night. I mean, we never had tornadoes here in northeast Pennsylvania before. So once we get home, guys, I'll show you all the stuff we got today. Another test, guys. Guys, why would this guy throw this out? Maybe the spool became undone. So he took the thing off, he tried to fix it. Maybe he already fixed it, then he tried to fix it again. He threw the knob across the room, started taking this off, got angry, closed this up, and that don't even work right, guys. But closed the lid, grabbed it by the wires, because there's wires here. The wires aren't broke, but the plastic is. Started swinging this thing around, maybe tossed it. Oh look, I got it in the cord there. And because there was a hose there as well, and maybe he was welding. He had the hose on standby in case a fire happened, and the sparks from the welder went onto the hose and started burning marks into it. It popped open. Then the guy got really angry and threw this down on the ground. Got a dent in here. This is all dented right here. See that? It's all dented, guys. Tossed that on the ground real hard out of aggravation, and decided his next trip up to the woods, he's going to get rid of the junk bikes. He's going to get rid of his welder and the hose. And maybe that's what happened, guys. He was going to scrap the bikes and decided to take this, throw it out, because he was angry at it. Nice wires, guys. I mean, everything is here, guys. There's a couple cuts in here. You can see, I don't know why. Probably because he shut this down hard, just like I did, and he's got cuts in them. So that's what it looks like. There's another one close to the same spot, so that's probably what happened there. There was another part to this that I'm not seeing. It might be under. There we go. Alright, come on. So, man, the plug is not really bent like you ripped it out of the wall or nothing. Well, the ground is. It's a little bit in. I mean, this isn't even rusted, guys. A lot of these will rust, even though it looks like copper. This must have been just dumped not too long ago, guys. It'd be too easy to, you know, bend it. But yeah, you know, everything is here, guys. This is crazy. So another video, guys, we're going to open this up, see if everything is in there. See if the transformer is in there. It looks like an older unit though. Normally they're all black, so it might have a heavy transformer as well. But man, I can't get over all this copper. Look at all these cords. This one I found on the side of the road. I couldn't believe it. It was right in that area. Look how twisted it is. Almost like a vacuum cord. Couple of pieces. Then we hit this nice chunk of aluminum. And I hit a bunch of cans. Might as well take the cans. Now this looks like it has a little bit of rust on there. I'm going to scratch this on a rock. We'll see what this is. Yeah, so guys, I'm determined this is brass. I scratched the heck out of this corner right here. And it's still yellow. So this goes in the brass pile. The rust stuff on here will probably clean up. It's probably the bolt was rusty inside, you know. But man, this is a good day, guys. Good day. Thanks for watching.